November 30th. I want to go ahead and do an intro before I forget. So I'm going to Atlanta today. I woke up sounding like this. I've been on and off, feeling a little funny for about 4 days now. I've been taking medicine and I don't know, my throat. I took some NyQuil last night and here I am sounding like a frog waking up. But I just want to do an intro. It's gonna be a daily vlog. Spend the day with me vlog style. And I'm taking you guys with me to Atlanta. Based on the title, you already know that. So I'm trying to leave Valdosta no later than 12. I'm going to see Teyana Taylor. Her concert's at 8 p.m. tonight. I don't know about y'all, but have y'all been feeling like sluggish? Like, I don't know, ever since I took the vaccine shot, ever since I got off the road from visiting family, I've been feeling very sluggish, very like unmotivated. I don't know what it's coming from, but I like to spend most of my days inside, chilling, not being bothered. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because it's the season and it's cold everywhere. I really don't like cold weather. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish packing. Last night I went to get my COVID test because I had to have one in order to get to the concert. I am 1 shot in through the vaccination. I have my card, but you have to have 2 to be fully vaccinated. So I'm gonna take that with me also because I'll be in Atlanta for a while, for about a month, I'll say, a month and a week. Spending time with my family members in Atlanta and my boyfriend. So I'm about to go pack up everything. And before I leave, I plan to go get my car washed too and get the inside cleaned out. That shouldn't take but 30-45 minutes. The place that I usually go to, it's a black owned business. I might get it on camera once I get there. Hopefully they're not super busy because I do not have an appointment. They open up at 9 a.m. I want to get up at 7 or 8 this morning, but I just listened to my body. My body told me to relax. My body told me to just stay in the bed a little bit longer. So I did that because I'm not in any rush to get to Atlanta because of the concert. I'm only going there specifically for today for the concert. Shout out to you, Tatiana. She told me last minute. She told me yesterday that she had a ticket available for me to come with her. So now I'm going. I'm going to stay with her in her apartment, her new apartment that her and her boyfriend just purchased. So that should be a good time. We'll see. They have an extra bedroom for me, so that's nice. I just don't feel like doing the things I need to do to get there. That's all. But we're going to get it done. And I'll see you guys once I get into the car. School weekend. I wish I could sit this somewhere. Can I sit it right here? Can y'all see me? Not really.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, you can order when you're ready.
Okay, I want to get, let's see, a number 6.
Number 6, beef chicken or steak?
Chicken.
What's the drink?
A Sprite.
We don't have a cigarette, miss.
Oh, actually, I want to get, do y'all have that, what's that green one?
Double hot blast?
Yes, ma'am, I want to get that.
Anything else?
And it has a side taco, the crunch taco. Can I get a soft taco instead?
Anything else?
That's it. Oh, can the soft taco be chicken also?
Anything else?
Anything else? Anything else? I'm gonna get my money out. I usually don't eat Taco Bell, y'all, like that. But this was real quick right here, and I'm about to get on the road. So I'm about to head to Atlanta. Hope y'all can see me. I don't have a camera stand for my car, but I need to get one. But yeah, I'm about to pull over, take a bite real quick, and then I'm gonna head out, and I'll see y'all once I pull up. Let me take this real quick though. Put it in park. Cause I don't know if she did what I asked her to do. They was rushing me. I felt very rushed. If you ask me. I used to get beef, the regular chalupa, but I stopped eating beef a long time ago. So I got chicken instead. And to be honest, it does feel like something is missing. Oh yeah, they did it. And it's chicken. That was super fast. That's why they call it fast food. I'm gonna stop to get gas, and I'll see y'all once I get to Atlanta. Bye.
down and out and I remember this. It's gonna hurt my soul just to remember this. Gotta understand.
Give me